Have you guys been looking for a blender? Well, I did some research and I ended up wanting to get this one. This one is the BN751 model. This particular one comes with a 72-ounce large blender. It does come with two 24-ounce cups that you could use to blend personal smoothies and things of that nature. So we're gonna go ahead, unbox it, test it out, check out the accessories and see how it performs, how loud it is and things of that nature. So with that said, guys, don't forget to like and follow. If you have any comments or you have any questions, put them down below. So let's get right to it. All right, so let's go over all the options. You have two of these, 24 ounces. You have your ounces and you have your milliliters on the side of the cup there. You have two of these lids that you could pop on and take these with you. You have, your extractor here. You have, two on the bottom, two here in the top, and one in the center for optimal cutting. You do have milliliters here, okay? You have your liter, and you have your cups, and you have your ounces on this side. Very simple to use. So put it in and you lock it so you're able to actually use it. And then in order for you to take the lid off, you press and release this, open it, and then you take it out. So very simple. You line up these two little arrows right here, push down, you lock it, and you're good to go. So it won't let you activate the blender unless this is locked. And then you have your little lid here. You open and you close, and it's nice and tight. You put it in, you lock it, and you're ready to rock and roll. So, all right, so once you done using it, you can remove your blade. So you have 1, 2, 3 blades, extremely sharp. So the good thing about this one is that now you could clean the inside of your, large container without having the blades at the bottom. You always get your tips of your fingers kind of cut up. So this way you can wash it, rinse it, then you can stick your hand in there and clean it. So it's a nice option to do that. Another thing that is good with this blade is when you're doing frozen things, a lot of the time they get stuck. So only the bottom, when you use this one here in the old style, they get, the bottom section only gets blended, and then the top gets, just sits there, and you have to push it with a fork or something like that. With this one, since you have 3 levels, it'll, blend everything right away. Very, very nice. And it's, like I said, easy. You just put it on, lock it, and you're... All right, so the blender comes with 2 little suction cups in the front, and I would recommend gently to, pop them open. As you can see right there, these are 2 little kind of like suction cups, so your blender doesn't move all over the place. One of the things I did notice was it does come with a little, accessory back here, so you could kind of roll up your power cord, so it's easy, storage, and it looks nice and clean when you're not using it. One of the things I did notice that the power cord is very rigid, and it should be just a little bit tad longer. When using the power cord, it just feels like it's kind of like dry. It should be a little softer. That's one of the little things that I noticed that I didn't like about the power cord, but everything else seemed to be, very top notch. So another thing that I've, noticed on the previous reviews that I've read on, that the actual container here, it's a little fragile, so you have to be careful not to throw it around. It can crack. So in my case, I will get the warranty, extended warranty from wherever you buy it. We'll put some of the links below so you could get them online. And there's different variations of this one. You have different options with different cups and different sizes. So depending on what you're looking for, then, you can go ahead and buy it. So a really nice option, very, very quiet. So we're gonna go ahead and try it out, and try out the small cups and try out the bigger cups. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start off with the smaller one. In the manual, it does have, some recipes, how to make, some margaritas and stuff like that. I'm sure you could probably find them online anyway, but you do have a few, things there, little options that you could take off from their little manual there. So we are going to be using this one here to make a personal smoothie. Going to fill it up with some ice, banana, a little bit of milk, and that's all I got. So that's what we're going to be using for this one here. All right, so I ended up using this much ice. All right, so this, instead of getting the shredded one, I got the thicker one. So that way to see how powerful the blades are. You've never had these little bananas? Oh my God, they're amazing. They taste so much better than the bigger ones. Let's go ahead and add the extractor. And push down and clockwise to put in, and then counterclockwise to remove, like that. All right, turn on the blender, and you could either do pulse for the ice, or you could just put it on low. All right. You have the ice crush. Cool. So if you press it, it automatically does it by itself. Very, very nice option. All right, I think we're good. Turn it off, twist, out, remove. Oh yeah, great, awesome, love it. All right, let's try the big one. All right, so let's go ahead and do some blending with the 72 ounce container. This one gives you 64 ounces of liquid up to here. Because a lot of times when you blend, kind of expands, you get bubbles in there. So they want you to go as far as the liquid up to this little mark right there. So let's go ahead and put some ice, some fruits, and we're going to be making a nice large blend. Let's race. Go ahead and put the lid, line up little arrows with each other. Beautiful. Put it in just like that. Tells you the little lock, locks in. And now we're ready to do some blending. All right, so you have your power button and you have different options. You have your extract, you have your ice crush, which you actually press and it does it for you. Pulses, very nice. You have your low, medium, and you have your high, and you have your manual pulse. So very easy to clean right here. I like the details, with a little metal. So it looks really good, especially if you have stainless steel appliances, and most of them are, stainless steel and black. All right. So let's go ahead and try the ice crush so you can see how it works. Check out how loud it is. That's a great feature. Press it and you let it do its thing. Very nice. So we got about 94.3 decibels, and that's in the ice crush setting. So it's not that bad at all. My older one is super, super loud. So I like the fact that it's decently quiet. All right, so once you're done, you're good. And then if you want to go the manual, low, press it again, medium, and you have your high. This is the pulse setting. Okay, and you make the smoothie. All right, and then when you're done, just press the off button and you are ready for your smoothie. Beautiful. All right, so you're gonna open your lid and then you could go ahead and pour it from here. It does have a nice rubber seal, so if you want to take this somewhere else, all right. And like I mentioned, it's got the little suction cups. Done. Push it back and you're ready to rock and roll with your smoothie. Very nice. All right, guys, so final thought with the blender, fantastic. Smoothie came out awesome. Really like the way it looks. It's relatively quiet. The option with the smaller 24-ounce cups with a little, covers that you could take with you. Really like that option. It blends fantastic. And one of the little things that I be concerned about is the plastic on this one here. Some people have mentioned that it has cracked, so you have to be careful with it. I do like the release option on it with the safety. And one of the things that I didn't like was the power cord. It's a little stiff. And other than that, I love the suction cups under, so your blender doesn't move around. And the actual unit looks awesome here in the kitchen, so really liked it. If you have any questions or any comments, put them down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more content and check out some of the links that help us out. We're trying to grow. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.